other alternatives to democracy, if you were going to argue there is too much, there is a thing, it's too much democracy, we need a bit more or something else. It's not very popular. Obviously, some people like monarchy, that it's stable, that you don't, it goes down through the family, it follows tradition things. Aristocracy or oligarchy, these are not very popular. A little bit more popular, and you do see elements of it, is technocracy. So the rule by experts. Obviously, during things like COVID, there was more technocracy because the people did not necessarily understand. We don't understand necessarily what this virus is or how to stop this virus. You couldn't ask people, well, how should we develop an antidote to a vaccine, sorry, for this virus? So scientists sort of took over more. Likewise, we have independent central banks in lots and lots of countries. We don't think that people should decide complicated things like what an interest rate is. We don't even let politicians do that. We let supposedly independent civil servants do that. The other thing about technocracy is it very much focuses on the outcome, whereas democracy, most Democrats would say, do what is democratic, and if it turns out really badly, at least it was democratic. The point is that people control it. People won't always be right, but they control it, not someone else. Technocracy says, well, it doesn't really matter who makes the decision. The important thing is that we solve problems, okay? And that however we can solve those problems, that's the most important thing. So some people say you could use a computer to do this, or you could use the people. If the people are the best at solving it, that could still be technocratic, because the technical people, the experts, could be the whole population, or it could be one person. So the point about technocracy is very much what matters is what works. Okay. Another example you could use if you're interested in this was after the global financial crisis, and then specifically after the Eurozone crisis. Technocrats were often given a lot more political power because there were very complex economic problems that a lot of politicians said this is better for experts in economic policy to deal with.